Hi everyone, this is Amy and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a Katsu egg over lobster and Hollandaise. To keep your lobster tail straight, we're going to stick a skewer right through the bottom all the way through. We're going to pop these into boiling water just for 45 seconds. It'll make it easier to get the shell off before putting it into cold water and letting it chill completely. While that's chilling, we're going to do Hollandaise sauce. We're going to add some egg yolk, a little cayenne pepper. This is a really simple recipe. Dijon mustard, and some lemon juice. You really want that lemony flavor, as much or as little as you would like. Whiz that up before drizzling in some melted unsalted butter until we get a beautiful creamy hollandaise. Put this in a container, press a little plastic wrap on top so it doesn't form a skin, and we'll set that aside until we're ready to use it. For the Katsu egg, we're going to line a 4-inch bowl with parchment paper, layer in a little panko breadcrumb. We want a pretty thick layer because it has to hold the egg as it fries. We're going to crack in 1 medium-sized egg right on top, season with a little kosher salt because you want to season it before you fry it, and top it with more panko breadcrumb. Over on the stove, you want to be heating some neutral oil up to 350 degrees. This is important because we don't want the outside to cook faster than the inside. Spill a little hot oil on top. When you see it starting to pull away from the parchment, we're going to go ahead and flip this over. And then very gently start pulling away the parchment paper. We're going for a jammy yolk here. If you wanted a runny yolk, you want to cook this a little less time than I did. Just going in, helping remove that. And then discard that parchment paper. You want to cook it to golden before putting it on a cooling rack and letting that cool. Now we're going to remove the meat from our lobster shell. Remember, this is not cooked all the way through yet. We just parboiled it to make it a little easier to remove. I did rip the first tail, so I'm just showing you with the second tail. You get this beautiful straight little tail. Now for our butter sauce. We're going to heat up a little water along with a couple cloves of garlic to flavor our sauce. We'll start adding in cold cubes of butter, one at a time, whisking continuously until it melts, and you can add the next little bit so your sauce doesn't break. Once all the butter is in, put in a little tarragon for some flavor and your lobster tails. And you only want to cook this until it's just opaque in the middle because you don't want it to turn rubbery before adding in a little lemon juice. Now let's plate. First goes down a little of our Hollandaise sauce. I cut up the lobster because I thought it'd be easier. Layering on our butter poached lobster, drizzling a little bit of that butter sauce on top as well to make it even richer than it already is. Placing our egg and garnishing with some chive and some dill, which are 2 great flavors that go with both lobster and egg. And this is looking absolutely stunning. Now let's see what we're working with here. We're going for jammy yolk. Have we achieved it? And we have. Now let's make the perfect little bite. A little egg, a little lobster, a little Hollandaise sauce. This is decadent, rich, and absolutely delicious. I'm very proud that I made this little dish, and now I hope you can try making it in your house too. But there it is, Katsu egg with butter poached lobster and Hollandaise. Thank you so much for spending time with me once again today. I really appreciate every single solitary one of you. If you like this video, give it a like. If you loved it, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell if you haven't already, because I put out new videos every Thursday. Thank you so much again. Until next time, happy cooking.